guys, this is video 2019 and video 2017 that actually get deleted. The freeway one got deleted because due to an error in the video. But yeah, it's an update, so I cut this apart because I needed to enlarge the whole. You can see now my dining table. You can see the wood. But yeah. And I cut it apart to make the hole bigger, but you can. This is the hole size that was originally on here, but now this hole size is gonna be on this piece of cardboard that came from an old binder. Right, you can tell that it's about this size, about like 1.5 inches or 2 inches. That one's about 2.5 inches. I'm not exactly sure, but yeah. Alright, this is gonna be the last Easter video, and tomorrow's video 2020.